Hi everyone, I am going to explain about string tokenizer class in Java. What is string tokenizer class? What are the application of the string tokenizer class? They show you practically how the string tokenizer class is used to divide the string into tokens. A string can be divided into tokens by using string tokenizer class. But what is token? What token is represented as a part of the string. That is also be called as token. Token is also represented as the word. Token is also represented as the keyword. Then the string tokenizer class has to be placed in util package. If you want to use the string tokenizer class in your application, we must import the util package. This is the example how the string tokenizer class will divide the string into tokens. The input will be given to the string tokenizer class. Tutorial of Java is a string. It has been given to the string tokenizer class as the input. Then the string tokenizer class will convert the string into tokens. This is the one token. This is the one token. Then this is the one token. How the string tokenizer class will convert that string into tokens, and what basis the string will be divided into tokens, we will see. There are few constructors of string tokenizer class. A string tokenizer class with one argument that is also belongs to the string. The create a string tokenizer for the specified string. Here the input is only string, then the string is divided into tokens by using string tokenizer class. What is the second constructor here? The first argument is belongs to the string. The second argument is belongs to the delimiter. Then what is the meaning of this constructor is based on the delimiter, the string is converted or divided into tokens. Whichever delimiter has been given, the default delimiter in string tokenizer is white space. If it does not provide any delimiter, the string tokenizer class will consider the white space. White space is the default delimiter. Based on the white space, the string is divided into tokens. Then what is the purpose of third constructors? First argument is string, the second argument is delimiter, the third argument boolean return delimiters. Here, in such cases, the delimiter will also be returns as a token. Okay, look at here. If the returns delimiter is true, the delimiter character also return as a token. If it is false, the default behavior. The delimiter has skipped and not returns. Because if it is true, by default it is a false. Only tokens will be displayed. Even if you want to display the delimiter as a token, it will be returns true. This is the third constructor of the string tokenizer class. Let me discuss what are the methods are available in the string tokenizer class. The count tokens. The count token method is used to find the number of tokens in the given string. Then as more elements. This method returns the same value as the as more tokens. Now I will discuss as more tokens after I comes to the as more elements method. This method tests if there are more tokens are available from this tokenizer string. If it is available, which returns true. If the token is not available, which returns false. Okay, if any token is available, it returns true. If the token is not available, it returns false. Then what are the difference between these two? Both methods purpose is same. When you're working with the enumerations, then we will use as more elements. When you're working with the string tokenizer class, we will use as more tokens method. That is the only difference. When it comes to the both are same, next element, the return type is object. The next token return type is string. Both are used to display the next token in the string tokenizer. Let me discuss next token method. This method returns the next token from this string tokenizer. If token is available, that will be tested by this method. If it is available, that method, the token is returns by the next token methods. Then what are the applications of string tokenizer where it will be used? Splitting the user input. When the text has been given as an input to the string tokenizer class based on the delimiter, okay, or breaking the sentence or line up the text into individual words. Then parsing here by default white space is converted, the string will be converted to the tokens. Then parsing data with the delimiter. Based on the delimiter, the string will be divided into the tokens. The delimiters are a commas or tabs or a special symbols. Okay, whichever delimiter has been given, based on that, the string tokenizer will divide the string into tokens. The string tokenizer in search engines, which also be main feature or application of string tokenizer class. Whenever you type a text in text field, the search engine needs to break this string into tokens. For example, tutorial of Java. Tutorial is one token, off is one token, Java is one token. These are represent as a keywords also. These are also be represented as the words. Based on that, the search engine will returns the result. These are the few applications of string tokenizer class. Let me explain you string tokenizer class it practically. I'm going to implement string tokenizer class. Before you use string tokenizer class, that class must be imported. Now I will use string tokenizer class, string tokenizer class, then reference variable name equal new string tokenizer, then whichever string is there, I want to declare the string before I use string tokenizer class. Directly you can write the string is also be here. Then I want to declare separately string str equal, for example, Java. Java is most popular language today. This string has been given as a input to the string tokenizer class. Then here there is no delimiter is provided. The default delimiter is white space. Then whenever the white space is counted in the given string, that is represented as a one token. Then I will display each and every token. I will find out the number of tokens in the given string. I will call count method system dot out dot print ln number of tokens, number of tokens. You call reference variable dot count token methods. Then number of tokens are available that will be returns by the count token methods. Let me write looping to display each and every token in the tokenizer, while the reference variable I will use as more tokens method whether the next token is available or not. If it is available, it will be returns by the next token method. St dot next token method. See what is the input I have given? This is the input I have given. The string tokenizer class will divide that string into tokens. Let me compile and run this application. Here, the number of tokens 6. Java is one token, each is one token, most is another token, popular language today. They are the different tokens are there in the existing string. The number of tokens are 6. Spaces, the string token class will divide the string into tokens based on the delimiter. The default delimiter is white space. Let me take another example. I will modify the content. For example, what are the OOP subjects you are interested? Let me initialize the string Java, then C++, then C, then Python. This string has been given as input, but not there. Then I will divide that string into tokens. Based on the delimiter, I will provide the delimiter as a second argument. What is the delimiter to be provided? Comma. Based on the comma, the string tokenizer class will divide that string into tokens. Whenever the comma is encountered, before that is represented as a one token. Let me run this application. Here the number of tokens 5. Here there are the different tokens are available in the existing string. Based on what? Based on the comma, the string tokenizer class will divide the string into tokens. Let me take another example. For example, 2 plus 3 multiplied with 6 divided by 7. If this expression has been given as a string, then I will divide the string into tokens. Let me provide what are the delimiters here. Then plus is a delimiter, then multiplication operator is a delimiter, then division operator is also be delimiter. Because based on these operator, the string will divide, sorry, string tokenizer class will divide this string into tokens. Let me save this application, then run it once. See the output, number of tokens will be 4. Then 2 is the 1 token, 3 is also be 1 token, 6 is also 1 token, 7 is also be 1 token. Okay, this is the way we can use string tokenizer class to parsing the string based on the or to divide into token based on the delimiter. If you have any doubt regarding this example, please contact me through the comment box. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.